What's happening to me? It's your boy Big. Welcome back to my Black Universe. So, got something fly for the wifey. Thank you. Opulence by Jay. Okay, alright, well. Use this all out. Packing peanuts in here. Man, it smells amazing. Like before I even open the box, it smells amazing. Little gifts popped open. A little keychain gift. Okay. Smells nice. I don't know what that is. So I'm not gonna trip, you know what I'm saying? Anytime you see, even though it has a special handling on here, United States Postal Service. What's known need not to be explained, right? So, Dream, we got the little keychain for the wife right here. It says Dream. That smells nice. This is another one. They beat the hell. Tell the United States Postal Service, like, man, it's my grandma. They'll still flip it. Still throw it in the back of the truck, man. It don't even matter. That's that, but that's not what we're here for, man. That's not what we're here for. So we have a card, basic candle care. Okay, so this is a hand-poured, handmade candle, Opulence by Jay. And these candles aren't regular candles. I believe they're coconut wax blend or something like that. And, this is the POISE scent profile. And this is what it comes in. This blue glass container. That smells good. That smells real good. It's thick. That's real thick. Gold trim on the outside. 100% premium coconut wax hand poured in Florida. Shout out to her. Shout out to Florida Luxury Aroma Candles. So this will run you, I think it's like $42 for this candle. It's a nice little gift for the wife, man. A little something. Come in a little package and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure it look a lot nicer when she packed it together, but I know how they do, so we're not going to charge it to the head. I'm going to put it on USPS, man. So that's dope. This smells amazing. And it's just something nice to get from, your lady, man. Something, it was nice when you got the kids out the house, they have the grandparents, you got a couple of our favorite scent profiles, light them up, nice bubble bath, get the mood right, get it popping, man. So that's what we got for the wife, man. Fellas, take heed, man, take note. They got different candle scents. And ladies, they actually got to do, I believe she has 2 masculine scent profiles for men, so you can do that as well. So you can get your fellow, get your husband something nice, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if he's gonna do a bubble bath or not. I ain't judge nobody, but I'm saying, something more masculine if you want to get in that. Fellas, she has about, I want to say 4 scent profiles for the ladies. Talk to your wife, find out what scent profile she really likes, what scent she likes the best. Get that candle. Get it shipped, man, and just do something fly for her. Because this is dope. I can smell, before I pop this open, I can literally smell this candle before I popped open the package. Alright, so that's how potent this is, and I can't wait for the wife to light this up and then get it popping. And we got the instructions on here how to take care of the candle so it can last for a long time. And that's it, man. That's it. I don't know what these are. I'm gonna hit the sister up and find out what these are. And once we do, let it burn for a while and let the aroma hit the air, I'll ask her and I'll let you explain to what these little pink things are. Let's pick one out. Let's take one out real quick. So I'm not sure what this was supposed to be in, but it looks like it was some type of design that she had on here. So I'll ask her. They smell nice. I'm not sure what these are for. I don't have instructions, but I'll contact her on social media. Find out what these are, what they're supposed to be used for, and we're going to use them as intended. Alright, to mention, let me go to my own video. So these are wax melts. This one is Let Go, that's Simple Calm. This one is Tranquil, that's Simple Calm. So these are wax melts she threw in as some gifts. So we're going to put these to work. See what they popping for. Alright, so that's what these are for. Let's get back to the video. And that's that. So if you're looking to get your candle game up, you get your aroma game up, your scent profile on point, hit up this sister Opulence by J. You can follow her on Instagram. I'm not sure if she has Twitter now, but I know she does have an IG handle. It's Opulence by JAI. Hit up her website, get you a candle too, and get it popping that night. Peace and blessings.